money online without any investment is very possible as long as you have your smartphone or a laptop. Many people are currently making money online without investing in anything. Now, if you want to know the easiest ways of making money online without putting in any investment, grab your seat and watch this video to the end. I know most of you guys have been scratching your heads wondering how do people make money online without investing in anything. Don't worry, I used to be like you. That's why I've come out to share with you the easiest ways of making money online without investing in anything. Now, as we get started, don't forget to hit that like button down below for me so that this video reach out to everyone who needs this information. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. The first side hustle to start with no capital is becoming online English teacher. Did you know over 72% of the world population do not know how to speak and write English, even though it's the most popular language, and over 1 billion people are currently learning English. Now, if you know how to speak English very well, this is a huge opportunity for you because research shows online English tutors are paid between $10 to $50 per hour. And popular tutors earn $550 per week average. Now, if you are interested in becoming online English teacher, you can sign up on the following sites that can offer you with tutoring jobs. There is Cambly, which pays tutors between $10 to $20 per hour. There is Verbring also. You can register on those sites. There are many other sites, by the way, that can even offer you with other language, but you need to do research to find them. By the way, I need to know, is this video helpful to you already? Let me know by hitting that like button. I will appreciate it. Let's go to the next side hustle. You can start with no capital. And the second side hustle to start with no capital, guys, is becoming a skills trainer. Are you a good dancer? Can you teach people how to dance? Then this is for you. Are you a good fitness trainer? Can you train people personal fitness? This is for you. Are you good at fighting? Then teach people self-defense. And if you are a good chef or a good cook, then teach people how to cook. Many people are currently learning how to cook. And many other skills you can teach people to earn money. Remember, no skill is useless. The way you package yourself matters. Now, you need to sign up on sites like Upwork and Fiverr for those skills training jobs. But it's better to market yourself also. You can design posters on Canva for free and then share them on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media so that people can easily find you and know what you are doing. By the way, you can also record some TikTok videos that shows what you are doing. People will find you and they will offer you with those jobs and you will train them and earn extra dollars. Thank you for watching, guys. I always appreciate you. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.